Hey guys, Thunder E here and welcome to our speaker test on the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro. Now, as you know, with any speaker test we do, we compare it to other flagship smartphones that have some really solid speakers. And of course, in this video, we'll be pairing it up against the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the Galaxy S10 Plus, the LG V50 ThinQ, because I haven't done that already, and the ROG Phone 2, which by the way is our current winner of course the highest decibels in terms of loudest speaker on a smartphone. Now, looking at all the devices, the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max both have Dolby Atmos built in, and they also have spatial audio with their stereo speakers. Now, there is no setting for it, so it just works and it's on all the time. So that's nice to see. Now, the Galaxy series with the Galaxy S10 Plus and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus both have Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. You can go in and select which type of Dolby Atmos you want to use, whether it's movies, music, or of course gaming. So that's actually pretty cool. The LG V50 ThinQ does have DTX 3D surround, allowing you to customize the way 3D surround sound comes off, whether it's on the sides, in the fronts, wide. It's got a couple of options there, and it's very different from what LG usually offers. And finally, the ROG Phone 2 uses something called Audio Wizard to give you custom EQs for, of course, different genres of music, and also EQs for an outdoor mode with its front-firing stereo speakers. Now, this video we'll be checking out, of course, decibel ratings to see who's the highest, or aka the loudest speaker, but I will also give you my thoughts on what I think is the best sounding speaker, and you guys can leave your thoughts also. But without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and take a listen to all our speakers. Okay, some impressive results here. So first off, in terms of decibels, the loudest speaker is the ROG Phone 2 at 108.8 decibels. It is really loud. And you know what? It still holds the crown. Those two front-facing speakers are amazing. Now, number two is the Galaxy S10 Plus. The Galaxy S10 Plus comes in at 108.2 decibels at its loudest. So that's quite impressive. The Note 10 Plus comes in at 105.6, while the iPhone 11 comes in at 104.5, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max at 104.2, and LG, which used to be our number one device for loudspeakers, comes in at 102.2. So don't know what's going on with that, LG. I am shocked. I am surprised. I'm sure you guys are surprised too. Now, when it comes to sound quality and audio, which do you think I think is the best? All right, I won't waste any time here. Simply put, I think the iPhone 11 Pro Max has the best sounding speaker. Yeah, I know, you're probably surprised. The last time I did a test, I liked the Galaxy Note 10 Plus over the iPhone XS Max. I think this year, Apple's combination of Dolby Atmos and of course, spatial audio with the stereo speakers gives a much richer, fuller, and robust sound that comes off the speakers. I really liked what I heard from the iPhone, especially when playing PUBG. Just came out really well and clean while gaming. I love that, and I also love the way it sounds with audio, music, videos, that kind of stuff. I think the second best sounding for me is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and after that is the S10 Plus, followed by the ROG Phone 2, then the iPhone 11. Not a big fan of that. It sounded really tinny to me. And then the LG V50 ThinQ comes in last, which is really surprising and sad for me. But that's my answer. I think the loudest, of course, in terms of decibels is the ROG Phone 2, and the best sounding is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let me know what you think, guys. Leave your thoughts down below. If you don't agree with what I consider as the best sounding speaker, let me know. Otherwise, guys, don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching our videos so we can make more videos for you. And we're gonna have a lot of content this week because it's a very busy week. A lot of cool stuff I can't mention yet, but you'll get to see. So always enjoy your entertainment.